Hi there, in this video, you will learn about how to automatically copy events from one Google Calendar to another with xFanatical Foresight. Managing multiple Google Calendars can be time-consuming and prone to errors. Manually syncing events across work, personal, or team calendars often leads to missed appointments and scheduling conflicts. That's where xFanatical Foresight comes in. xFanatical Foresight automates event duplication between Google Calendars in real time. By setting up simple rules, events added to one calendar can be instantly copied to another, saving time and reducing manual work. Whether you're managing personal and work schedules or team calendars, Foresight helps you avoid manual updates, prevent conflicts, keep calendars consistent, and boost productivity. Let's dive in and see how it works. Sign into xFanatical Foresight with your Google account. Go to the Templates page. Search for Automatically Copy Events from one calendar to another template and click on it. In the Automatically Copy Events from one calendar to another page, click Copy Rule. For the first time, use of the template rule and dialog action needed will display requesting necessary permissions required to copy the rule. Click Connect with Google and authorize the permissions. Upon authorization, a dialog titled Copy of Automatically Copy Events from one calendar to another will display. In the new Calendar Event screen, select Source Calendars to copy events from. Optional, uncheck the Also Include Events I Created. If checked, events you created from the source calendars will trigger the automation. Click Next. In the Copy Event to Calendar screen, in the Destination Calendar, select any calendar where events will be copied to. Click Review. In the Review screen, customize the automation rule name. Click Create. The rule is created in the Rules page. Verify automation. In order to guarantee that your rule configuration automates as intended, it is imperative to conduct a basic test. The steps outlined below demonstrate how xFanatical Foresight automates the process of auto-copy events from one Google Calendar to another. Note: for demonstration purposes, please send a Google Calendar event invitation to yourself from another account. The rule will be triggered upon receiving a new calendar event invitation in Google Calendar. Once the rule is triggered, you will get a notification on the top right. In the notification message, click View Log. In the Log Details page, the Rule History section explains the automation history and task xFanatical Foresight has automated on behalf of your Google account. Optional, check your selected destination Google Calendar to ensure new events are copied from your source calendar to the destination calendar. It's simple and easy. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well. To learn more, please visit xfanatical.com.